So, tell us, how has it been going for you? Like, it's been
Between
3 months
between
lockdown. What
the
have you learned?
lockdown, so
Yeah.
lockdown has been, I think, a roller coaster ride of emotions. I think for everybody over here, and it's the same thing for me as well. But I just like every day I'm always struggling to distract myself with something or the other. Maybe with my workouts, maybe releasing it out sometimes with my dancing, or maybe when it comes to sometimes me watching something or the other, trying to get and try to learn in this lockdown. So that's what my entire focus is about. So yes, I was actually working out. I just finished my workout. That's my protein, guys. I'm just having it right now in front of you. And I quickly ran away because my timings are 4:30 to 6:30 of my workout. So I was like, no, let me rush. I'm in live session. I just stopped my workout and I just came over here. So yes.
So, tell fans, what have you learned in these 3 months?
I have learned in these 3 months. I think I'm still learning that. I am not there yet, but it's a lot of patience in life. I think we all are somewhere or the other learning that in this lockdown.
So, with like unlocking happening like
Yeah,
soon, like, have
yeah.
you charted out or planned out something like how to go about on professionally?
See, honestly, we never expected a lockdown coming, so nothing was actually planned. So once the lockdown started, I tried planning a lot of things. So I'm just trying to follow that particular path. So whatever planning is there in my head. So every day is obviously a different day because one of the days I totally feel like not doing anything, just sleeping on my bed the entire day, watching the TV and not doing anything. And the other day, suddenly I get up and I'm like quickly on that, let's work out or maybe something, let's make stuff. So every day or the other day is a very different day. It is just that you have to always, have a lot of patience, a lot of consistency in the goals, what you're looking for. So I'm doing the same thing, I guess. I'm struggling in the same thing.
And also, lockdown, when you announced you are in love and everything, like, how did that happen? Like, what pushed you to, like, let's reveal, let's come out?
So I feel this is what I feel that the world is on the, last few stages where I see that the world is ending. Like, you just never know because it has already started. If you somewhere or the other, that's what I've been saying, that it's a warm up, what we guys have seen. And Corona is actually where we are sitting home, that it's not a war, but somewhere or the other, we are fighting it out. All the human beings over here, entire, humanity is struggling and really fighting it out with a disease out there. So somewhere the entire world is captured at one place versus the disease. So it's kind of a very different, way if you see and give a different perspective. It comes out to be a kind of a start, a warm up of a world war versus a disease. We have faced it earlier also. So this is, you just never know. So, me and Ben, we were just sitting together. It was actually my idea to go ahead, and I was like, Ben, there's no certainty today to the world. Where is it gonna be happening? Because there's so many people, thousands and lakhs of people are dying in the world. So, if we are not the lucky ones, what if it happens to us also? Unfortunately, like with all God's grace. So I was like, let's just not keep this something which is very pure. And we have been together since last 2.5 years now. So let just world should know, that this was actually the truth, which we were just not wanting to come. There were certain R reasons, which I have like explained it earlier in my life. So it was just that. So yes.
So, lockdown, love in lockdown, how is that part?
Me and Ben meetings.
Yeah.
Yeah, lot on the phones. Sometimes or the other, we manage that whenever she gets a chance because the work is on. Whenever in the day you can travel, so that's the best part. So Ben like sometimes comes over also, and she's with me and mom living, and in like for like good amount of days, and then she needs to go back. So yes, so she's come once as of now. So yes,
We get to see a lot of cute photos and videos of you
yeah,
together.
yeah.
So,
It's like
so now,
It's a
So now you
bank
are
we
his.
have. Sorry, I'm cutting you. Sorry. What were you saying?
I'm saying you are his. You are teaching her also, like choreographing dance with her and all of that.
I'm not exactly her teacher because I feel she knows a lot about she knows things better than I do, honestly. So only thing which I know is how to act and how to dance, especially when it comes to dancing, because I've given almost 10 years of my life, dedicating to dancing. So whenever I'm just trying to work on myself, so she's near and she's a great dancer herself. She has a great potential when it comes to dancing. If she starts training herself, in that. So I tell them that I'm doing this right now if you want to join, and she quietly as a student, not quietly always, but yeah, sometimes as a student she comes back and she just learns it from me. And since we guys can see the potential in her, I have seen the potential, she just come ahead and just quickly learn the choreography and she's all ready to go. So one of the days I remember, like, we just sat on one of the choreographies on the television. So I opened YouTube and I was just getting that choreography, like, just for a reference for my own learning and all of that. So Ben just got it in 45 minutes and she just danced it out. And I was like, let's make a video out of it. So she, I think, practiced it like some 4 5 more times, and she was all ready to go with that video. So yeah, we've done that as well. So
Friends and family का reaction कैसे था? Like they knew about being together. No.
yeah, obviously. We know, like, because mom and Ben are pretty much close to each other, and I speak to her parents as well, and they are pretty much fine. Like, Ben stays with me, coming home, and mom is also here, always around. So they gel pretty well. So mama has known it since the very beginning that we are together, and she never had any problem with it. Honestly, she's like, whatever girl you're with in your life, I'm always happy and always accept. That's very sweet of my mom, honestly. And yeah, and the way they both bond, it's something like sometimes I have to really, really, they've side me also. There have been times. So yeah, they have a different relationship altogether. मैं उनसे बीच में आता नहीं. So whatever they wanna, do, I'm like, keep me and let me out of it, because I love you both, and you just cannot make me to come to a position where I have to go ahead and like do what. So just deal with it. Their relationship is strong enough that they can deal with each other. So yes.
तो आप बीच में नहीं आते हो.
Have to play smart, no? When it comes to this. So yeah.
Priyanka, I have to ask
Yeah.
this, you being a dancer and doing couple of web shows and reality shows as well. Actors are fighting financially and all. How
Oh
has
yeah,
your
that's a very good
survival?
topic. Yeah.
How has your
I
survival been
uh,
so far?
so luckily, like, it's all God's grace is what I feel. I've been the one who's been really blessed when it comes to times like this, because if I see my background, I also belong to the same middle class family. I've come from that same place because my father is a government servant. We've been working since last 35 years with Delhi Secretariat, and they get this, wages. So I feel that, I've been really, really been lucky, but I really have all my prayers to the people who are really struggling. And I really, really wish that, because no one is talking about this also. Thankfully, you started and asked me a great question that, everybody is like, okay, this sector is very important when it comes to employing people. That sector, corporate sector, is very important. Maybe the IT segment is very important, but no one is focusing actually in the entertainment business, because that's the best, relaxation for people, especially at this point. अगर आप सोचिए, अगर हमारे पास इस टाइम पे टीवीज नहीं होते, एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं होता, तो we would have gone bonkers, So all this is so important. So I really, really feel that, something or the other thing has to happen so that this sector should also be focused, which is, I think, their government is planning also very well, that they need to get back and start the shooting ASAP whenever the things get a little calmer, because Maharashtra is one of the, the maximum cases Maharashtra has given. So I totally feel that it's going to come back, and let's just hope for the best. It's about the survival. We all are struggling somewhere or the other, in different ways. Some must be struggling financially, which is the worst, I feel, right now at this point in their lives. I have all my prayers to them, and I really request to people, if you find somebody or the other, just go and try to help as many people as you can, because that's what even I am doing. Right? It's not always important to talk. Also, I'm over here talking because so that you guys can just get the sense of doing it and maybe some inspiration of doing it. So please go ahead, guys, because we all are trying. I'm trying my best to whosoever I can help. Please, if you are the one on a on that particular stature right now in your life, please go ahead. It's always good to care. It is always, especially, I totally feel nothing is bigger than humanity. So please प्लीज प्लीज मैं हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि अगर आपको लाइफ में अभी आसपास कोई ऐसे जने दिख रहे हैं, इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड to help people. So please do that.
Okay, it's a big hit for the choreographers as well. I mean, studios are shut and all. What do you think should be the strategy going forward?
The studios have been, see, till the time it is gonna be, we have to sit home. There cannot be any other strategy instead of just being and having a lot of patience. Just trust the government, whatever they are doing, it's for our benefit. So we need to do that right now, and we need to follow certain kind of rules and regulations what government has put, and be safe as much as it can, and just try not to going out much because it gets to a point कि यार पुलिस भी तो इंसान है सारे के सारे, वो भी कितना ट्रैफिक को देखेंगे. We cannot completely blame them also. अगर हम सारे स्ट्रीट्स पे उतर आएंगे तो it's almost impossible for all of them to understand and to handle it. So we have to also at the same time handle each other, and we have to make sure that we are making and balancing things really 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 correct, and trying to understand what government is also saying, and not mess up and screw up with rules and regulations. So guys, please 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 be home. And Ada is also here. Hi Ada. Hi Ada. Got my few friends.
Priyank, what's your take on this entire ban TikTok scenario? What's going on right now?
See, I've spoken about this earlier. I still want to be speaking about this. It is very simple. So if I graph it out, last time I had a live with Siddharth Kanan, so I was telling him that the same thing. So if I graph it out, the entire platform of social media, there are another layers. So if this is social media, there are certain layers to it, which includes a YouTube, from an Instagram, from a Twitter, from a TikTok today, because it's somewhere we are over here to make content, to share our opinions of what we think. But there are always certain rules and guidelines to make a certain kind of content also. So just use the platform and the social media platform really really wisely and really smartly is what I just want to say right now. That's it. That guys, it's not their fault. YouTube है, Instagram है, Twitter है, TikTok भी होना चाहिए. There's nothing wrong. But they were going with certain things. They were supposed to be more strict with the content because YouTube जैसे हटा देता है. Instagram won't let you put any kind of content like that, right? They just remove it, or either they block the entire account once they get to know. So same thing I feel has to be with TikTok as well. And they started it. They shared a certain kind of guidelines and rules and regulations on how to use and how to create legal and not to go offensive when it comes to creating the content. And that's how the entire game is about. So guys, please be very wise. It's not their fault. It is our fault. How to use it wisely. So yes, make it more entertaining. अभी यार पूरे टाइम कोरोना चल रहा है. मतलब there's already so much stress in the world that please try to entertain people as much as it's possible for you all. Because see, I'm right now not on a point where I create content. My aim is a little different. But if I will step in future, in case if I do, so I have to be much wiser when it comes to what content should I be and putting across, and the message I'll be putting across. It's all about inspiring people, not go wrong with your content. So guys, please be very wise. And for the people who are under 18 and if they're also using it, because in India I totally feel that it takes a certain time, a certain age, a little more age to understand and be more wise. So I would really want to request the parents out there to actually go and check what their children are making, because they are also pretty immature when it comes to a certain thing. So we can't just go ahead and completely blame them. कह रही है क्या कर दिया. अब उस बच्चे को बेचारे को अगर सेंस ही नहीं है किसी चीज का, मैं कैसे उसे ब्लेम करूं? उसे तो पता ही नहीं कि सही क्या है और गलत क्या है. So somewhere it's a duty for all of us, even for the parents of the children, to actually look after what they are posting on their Instagram, because we have that sense. Their parents must be having a lot of sense of maturity. So guys, please keep a check. It's very important to keep a check for your own children. It's nothing wrong, वो आपके ही बच्चे हैं. अगर वो नहीं समझ रहे तो आप जरूर समझ सकते हैं इस चीज को कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है. So yeah, it's a request.
Priyank, I have to ask you how did Splitsvilla happen to you initially? Like being a dancer, like took up a dating reality show to start with. How did that?
मैम मुझे तो रोडीज हुआ था एक्चुअली मेरे साथ तो स्प्लिट्सविला नहीं हुआ था. सो माय टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइफ वाज रोडीज. स्प्लिट्स वाज नेवर द प्लान ऑनेस्टली. स्प्लिट्स वाज अ you can say an add-on or maybe a bonus which I got with roadies, which MTV offered me, and I was like really fortunate about that. That I went ahead and I did that because मुझे तो क्या दिखा था? मुझे दिखा था this career. I will get that fame. I need the certain platforms so that people can give me a recognition and people can recognize me when it comes to putting my work out, so that people should know he is the guy. Maybe we have seen him somewhere or the other. Roadies and splits. A lot of people, by the way, they really put these shows really down, which I don't know why. There are a lot of them, and I really feel in life they want a lot of help. I will be talking about that very soon because I recently experienced one of the things where one of the guys who's from the industry only like just made a very inappropriate comment of saying that please just keeping us like and looking us up very down on people like these. So I really feel that people shouldn't do that. People should be very secure in their space or where they are. And it's a journey. It's a journey for me and for thousands of people out there, because there are certain people who have come out from reality shows. We cannot deny that, right? I think I'm 27 right now. I have so much time in my life, and it's too early. And मैंने reality shows 2 साल बाद पहले करे थे यार. So it's too early for people to have any kind of judgment. So please guys, don't do that. And I really want to tell all the people who have been doing these shows also that to make people like these, to make them quiet. So I really want to request to all the people who have been doing these reality shows, because for people like us who have, no godfathers, right? So these are the platforms where we see and we learn, and then we come back, okay, we get a certain kind of recognition, and then it's all on our hard work of where and how we go basically ahead. So yeah, that's right. So guys, please go ahead and start working really hard. And it's very important for the community, I feel, to get up, because a lot of people have been talking bullshit behind our backs. So just stay strong and just come back and just slap them with your success. So yes, that's what I just want. Kill them with your kindness. It's very, and your success. That's how it is supposed to be.
It's like Roadies, Splitsvilla, Big Boss, all the biggest reality shows we have been part of. How does that feel? You can share some moments from Big Boss days with us.
It feels great, number one, because it's a journey. It's my past. If I look behind it, I'm like, I started my journey with all these shows, and it was so beautiful because every show was an experience. When you go to a reality show, first of all, you have to be very brave. And that too, I did 3 reality shows in 1 year. So yeah, मेरे पास कुछ तो experience है. I'm the second guy in the entire nation, if you see, after Prince Narula, who has done back-to-back reality shows in 1 year. So there's nobody who has done that except for him and me. So there's certain kind of an experience, and I have got, and Prince Bhai have also got from there. So I totally feel that it's a great experience to look. It's a great experience to learn basically about yourself, more of what kind of a person you can be and you are. So yeah.
So was it like a strategy or like a gut factor that you went on signing the reality shows?
There's no strategy. See, for me, it was I was very destined to do these shows. So when it started from Roadies, I got a call for Splits. As soon as Splits was there, it came on air. I got a call from Viacom Colors to have a meeting with them, and they offered me Big Boss. And I was like, I think I'm good to go. And so they took a little time to come back to me. They took a month's time to come back if they want me to do it or no. But finally, they ended up sending me inside the house, and I was destined enough to be there.
Because for Big Boss, many like actors also they say कि नहीं अभी नहीं करना, phase of career में we don't want to because it like it's very difficult to survive inside the house. So what
True.
was your reaction? You were like, I'll be myself, जैसा भी है जो भी है.
See, you thought for my reaction, please open the show and please watch it. I just want to say that if you guys still want to watch 2 years back what I did in reality shows, please go ahead and please watch how my reactions were. I just want to tell people I was just trying to, be a better person at every point in my life. Even I was making some mistakes which I did in Big Boss, which is okay, I feel, because it was my past. I embrace it and I have learned a lot out from it. So yeah, it happens. Yeah, I was 25 myself. हो जाता है यार, क्या हो गया?
Also, like we have seen you share a great bond with Hina.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
did that bond happen? And if you can tell us more about your friendship with her.
See, with Hina is like we met in the reality show, and after that, whatever bond we made over there, we just came out. It was just there's a lot of respect, First of all, in every relationship wherever you are, there has to be a lot of give and take. So it has always been there with Hina and me. Like we have always exchanged. The first thing we have exchanged is a lot of respect and a lot of love with each other. We genuinely had inside the house, right? So a lot of other people were also involved into this. I don't know what their problem is in life till now. Hina and me are just completely clueless that what was those people problem, because me and Hina have had no problems till now. And why? Just like why can't people just take it easy and just talk it out? So since you guys can see, a lot of people are in touch with me of Big Boss. Like nobody has eventually any problem with me, but yeah, maybe it's their choice of and their opinion of selecting a person and maybe their perspective. So I completely respect that too.
How proud are you as a friend with her journey?
With the Hina, oh my God, that's something. That's a one hell of a ride. First of all, I just completely salute her for handling one show on Star Plus for 8 years, man. That is something, going on set for 8 years every goddamn day. It is something which is not easy on the first go, all right, and that's a lot of consistency. That is a lot of hard work. A lot of people, they won't understand because they've not been in that shoe. But I can totally relate because I've seen that lady giving her all out, when it comes to especially shooting, and when it comes to her discipline, she is completely on point. Like there is nothing going wrong from Hina's end when it comes to her discipline. I think that is the key to her success. From reaching from starting a show on Star Plus to reaching to Cannes, that's a journey now. I feel that's actually a great journey, and she's not ready to stop. Inshallah, वो रुकने भी नहीं वाली और वो कभी रुकेगी भी नहीं. That's what I'm in touch with.
We have a fan question. Naira.kk has asked your relation with Ranvijay sir.
My relationship with Ran sir is very, it's a lot of respect, first of all. So when it comes to people like Ran sir, so I think he's the one who has seen me coming out as a boy in Rudy's, and 2 splits and 2 Big Boss. One thing I just want to tell him and I want to tell about him is that he's always been there in the worst times also. I've spoken to him with my heart out. Like he knows me completely in and out. Like what is my reality and my truth, and he has really maintained it. The kind of balance he has between understanding the point of views of a certain person to the other person, it just tells a lot about a person, and we all love him. The kind of a human being he is, and for the kind of a guy he is. There are very less people I have come across in my life. I'm not even joking. Who is or maybe can be closer to a guy like Ran sir. And no one, I really don't feel that कोई भी ना इस दुनिया में इस चीज को डिनाई कर सकता. आप कितने भी रोडीज के सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स उठा लीजिए, आप स्प्लिट्सविला के कंटेस्टेंट्स उठा लीजिए, आप इंडस्ट्री में किसी से पूछ लीजिए, the kind of respect that guy gets is something which is beyond a lot of other things people are seeking for. So I love him, and there's a lot of respect for him.
Priyank, both you and Vinavsha's past relationships have been in the limelight, and at times social media maybe have received lot of backlash.
Yeah.
How have you dealt with it personally?
So I'm just saying that nothing, yeah, just we just completely ignored the entire thing of what is happening, what is not happening, and this is how it is supposed to be. Like people have their own opinions until the time they are not just going and crossing this their limits. So we are open with any opinion. It doesn't matter because it's my and Ben's life. That is it. It is not someone else's life. It is not. We are not concerned about anyone else. We are supposed to find peace in ourselves and be happy with us, which we are. So it is just that. Just ignore. It's gonna be mixture of people everywhere. Like ये celebrities की और so called celebrities हम और artists की ना जिंदगी है यार. So आई फील जहां आपको प्यार बहुत मिलेगा आपको क्रिटिसिज्म के लिए भी रेडी होना पड़ेगा आपको ओपिनियंस के लिए भी रेडी होना पड़ेगा सो इट इज अ लाइफ विच वी हैव चूजन एंड हम यार उसको ही आगे बस कंटिन्यू करें
You both being youth icon, like you both have your share of fans.
मैं
Do
नहीं
you
मैम
get
यू बहन को आप रख दीजिए
lot
वो
of female fans?
हाँ जी
So how does Meenakshi gets possessive, yeah, jealous, kabhi with fan messages and all?
I think sometimes yes, it's a space which we both share. It is not just Ben's space. I would like to say it is a space because initially when you're just working a lot on a relationship, so obviously these things they also come, and they just try to haunt you and just try to distract you with the relationship also. But you have to just give it time, to take a breather, and you just have to let it go because you love a person so much, you know. So sometimes it's very important to see what is more important in your life. If it's love, or maybe your ego, or maybe the opinion. So if it's love, definitely सब कुछ पीछे आपका ego पीछे आपका everything is supposed to be पीछे. It is supposed to be with that particular person and the trust. That's it.